Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Ps5 and making sure the Vision LED headphones are charged and on. Once done, connect via the supplied USB-C cable to an available Ps5 USB port. If using analog, plug the 3.5mm into the DualSense controller. Make sure you updated headset firmware first. This avoids audio dropouts. While you plug in, open Settings, go to Accessories, and select Audio Devices so the console can detect and prioritize your headset automatically. Once the console detects the Vision LED headphones, you need to configure sound. You go to Audio Devices and set both input and output to the headset so game and chat route correctly. Next, choose Output to Headphones, all audio for full game sound, or chat audio for voice only. Adjust microphone level and side tone so you hear yourself naturally and confirm with the mic test. This prevents clipping and loud feedback when you jump into multiplayer. Finish by saving settings and testing in a game and a party chat to confirm both game audio and voice work. If you encounter no sound, change the USB port first, then try the 3.5mm route through the DualSense controller and reboot the Ps5. Many issues clear with a simple restart. If problems persist, update both Ps5 system software and the headset firmware, and only then consider a factory reset on the headset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.